Friends, Realme actually sent me a piece of an F1 racing car, and it's from Alonso's. Why? Well, it's not because I have a big head, it's because they released the brand new Realme GT8 Pro F1 Limited Edition.
On the front of the packaging box, we see the familiar Martin logo. Oh, this is my first time opening it. Let's see how Realme does with this sense of ceremony. Oh, because of the Realme camera module, you see it even has the F1 racing car printed on it. Ah, this is its front wing.
This part here, this should be the tire, right? It's for air intake. Quite interesting, and let's open this top layer. Wow, it's hidden right inside. Lift the cover. Cool, a replaceable lens module. Here is a small screwdriver. Take out the phone. The Martin logo here also has two waistlines that look like a race car. You see, it's still Martin with a machine spirit. In the middle is a detachable lens module. The texture of the fibers inside this prototype lens module is interesting. On the side nail clock frame, the power button is also made in the machine spirit color scheme. Next, I'll remove this lens module and replace it with a square one for you.
Doesn't it look better after removing it? This small body is also in the racing color scheme. This looks good. I like this one. I won't install it. Just this one.
Ah, forget it. Let me put it on for you to see. This is what it looks like after putting it on. I personally think this combination is the coolest look for this phone. Next, let's take a look at the accessories under the box. First, black charger head, 120 watts. Here's a black data cable. Let's not unpack it. What does the phone case look like? There are two here.
Oh, I get it. You see, this phone case is meant to go with your square lens module, and this one is for your round lens module. Inside the phone case, there's even a print of the lens module. So detailed, Realme.
There are also two spare screws inside. Could this be a SIM card ejector pin? Pull it out like this. What do we mean by a sense of ceremony, friends? This should be an F1 racing silhouette ejector pin. Let's experience this sense of ceremony again.
Hey, next, let's look at the unique customizations inside the phone. First, there's an Aston Martin boot animation here and a specially customized lock screen dynamic wallpaper. Everyone, which car is this? Does anyone recognize it?
Fingerprint unlock to enter the home screen with specially customized icons. Open the camera and the Ricoh GR is definitely there. The main point is, I don't want to show you this, I want to show you the watermark in the settings.
Look here, it says co-branded custom Realme GT8 Pro Aston Martin. The Ricoh GR is also great for photographing cars. When you activate this GT mode, listen carefully, sound effect. Feels quite something.
Finally, I still want to emphasize that with this version, I feel its texture and feel have become much better. Especially the feel, because the sides feel like simulated fingernails and it fits more comfortably in your hand. Quite unique. Hey, it's interesting. How about it? The Realme GT8 Pro Aston Martin Limited Edition. How many points out of 10 would you give it?